Okay guys, so what I'm going to make is some bone broth. So what I've done here is that I had some beef bone. I washed it out with some vinegar water, and then I drizzled some olive oil on it and sprinkled some salt, and I put a little bit of black pepper, and I roasted it in my oven for about 40 to 50 minutes. So this is what we have here. So what we're going to do, I have in my pot that can work as a slow cooker because it can go at a very low temperature. And what I'm going to do is put this in, top it up with some filtered water, and I'm going to bring this up. Now the water is going to be cold. I'm not adding warm water. When I add this to the pot, I'm going to add cold water to it, bring it up to a boil, and I'm going to leave this to simmer for about 1 hour. After the hour has passed, I'm then going to add in these aromatics to it. So some carrots, some garlic, some spring onion, some bay leaf, some thyme, and some basil. So I'm going to add these to it, and then I'm going to leave this to simmer on very low temperature for about 20 hours. That's how you make bone broth. That's how you're able to extract. Now there's something else I'm going to add to this. I'm also going to add about a teaspoon or cupful of apple cider vinegar, and you want to add the acid to help bring out the collagen in the bone. So to make bone broth, you really have to simmer it for a length of time at a very low temperature. And that helps to extract all the collagen and all the good things in the bone. So I'm going to now add the bones to my pot here, and I'm going to bring it up to a boil, like I said. I'm just going to leave that alone just for about 1 hour. Okay guys, so at this point I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, and then I'm going to add the rest of my, or rather I'm going to add my aromatics now. So I'm going to add the bay leaf, I'm going to add the garlic, I'm going to add the carrots, our thyme and our basil, and our cider or spring onion. So we're going to leave this to simmer on a very low temperature for about 24 hours. So of course, if you're doing this, you want to make sure that you have to keep on checking it to make sure that the water does not evaporate completely. That's why doing it in a slow cooker is better than doing it on the stove. I mean, if you do it on the stove, you have to make sure that you have a flame that is extremely low, but it can be a bit risky. So I think the safer thing to do is to do it in a slow cooker, and really to get the benefits of bone broth, you would have to simmer it for about 24 hours. Hi guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as the bell notification, and don't forget to give the video the thumbs up.